Hello my viewers around the globe, this is Sima Legacy. For today's video, I want to show you how you can withdraw crypto or fiat on Bitget. Just stick with me until the very end, and if you don't have a Bitget account, just go in my description below and you'll find this link of Bitget, and you can still earn up to 3,000 US dollar if you open an account of Bitget with me. You can still earn up to 7,210 if you open an account of Binance, Bybit and Coinbase. So with that said, let's start the video. So the first thing that you have to do when you're on Bitget account, you just go on asset review, then you click on withdraw. So once you're here, you select the coin that you want to withdraw. Bitget supports few coins that it can withdraw. There is BTC, USDT, Ethereum, XRP. So you can select among of these ones. As you can see from here, that there is many, but those are the few it can support. So in most cases, when you want to withdraw a coin from an exchanger, please make sure that it supports it. After selecting the coin, you're going to select the chain name. The chain name, it depends. So with this one, we are going to select BTC. So once you've selected your BTC, so enter the withdraw address. Another thing, you can withdraw to a mega swap address on Bitget. This one means that you can exchange Bitget to Bitget and the fees will be minimal. So you just deposit your withdraw address. So after depositing here your withdraw address, you're going to put the amount that you want to withdraw. So after putting your amount, you're going to submit, and once you've put the correct amount and your balance is funded, so you're going to submit, and once you submit, your money will go directly to this address that you have put on this channel. So hope you have understood on this one. So another way how you can withdraw money on Bitget, you can go directly to pay to pay. So with pay to pay, there is buy and sell, and this one means deposit, this one means withdraw. So you're going to select sell. So once you select sell, there is advertisers, there is the price that they consider while selling to you that crypto or fiat that you want to withdraw. So this is the amount, this is the limit that they cannot exceed, this is the amount that they have. So this is the coin that you want to withdraw, whether BTC, Ethereum, USDT, but for this case you're going to use USDT. So this is the cash or the currency that you're going to use. So another thing that you have to consider, mostly the payment method. In most cases here, some of the countries do not consider these payment methods and they don't use them. So you have to select the payment method depending on where you are and what payment method do you use. So after selecting this payment method, you're going to see the good price that this advertiser is using to sell to you or to give you that cash. So after selecting that advertiser and the payment method, let's say we are going to use web money, so you're going to say sell. So once you say sell, please make sure you first connect your KYC and you bind email, bind phone number and the fund password. So once you've set all of these ones, your money will go directly and you follow automatically the process by process, step by step, and you will get your money onto that account on the payment method that you have selected. So hope you have got everything well. So if you don't have a Bitget account, just go in my pinned comments section below and you'll find that link. You will get a chance of getting up to 3,000 US dollar just for free once you open and you deposit some money. So that's all for today. We meet again. Bye.